Hello student, today we will discuss exercise 6.3 question number 20 onward. Equation, you have to find out the equation of normal at the point am square comma am cube, abscissa ordinate. The curve is given you ay square equal to x cube. At first I will differentiate and find out the dy by dx, and I will find out the uh, slope of a line at x and y. After putting the value of x and y, I will get 3 upon 2 m. Since m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, so therefore slope of the normal m2 equal to minus 1 upon m1 equal to minus 2 upon 3m. Now equation of the normal y minus y1 equal to m2 x minus x1, y minus am cube equal to minus 2 upon 3m into x minus am square. Okay, y minus am cube equal to minus 2x upon 3m plus 2am square upon 3m. Y minus am cube equal to minus 2mx upon 3 plus 2 upon 3am. Okay, after simplifying this you will get this. In question number 21, you have to find out the equation of normal. The equation of normal you have to find out. The normal is parallel to this line. At first I will find out the slope of this line. So the slope m2 means slope of a given line equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Okay, y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. I will find out m1 equal to dy by dx equal to 3x square plus 2. m2 equal to minus 1 upon m1 equal to minus 1 upon 3x square plus 2. Okay, this is the slope of a normal by the help of a given curve. Okay, equating both of the slope, you will get x equal to plus minus 2. If x equal to 2, you will get y equal to 18. So the point will be 2 comma 18. Now the equation of the normal y minus y1 equal to m minus 1 upon 14 x minus 2. If you will put x equal to minus 2, you will get y equal to minus 6 by the help of given equation of the curve. So equation of normal at point minus 2 comma minus 6, y plus 6 equal to minus 1 upon 14 x plus 2. Okay, now come to the question number 23, which is very important. Okay, curve x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angle if 8k square equal to 1. Means we can assume that both curve cut at right angle means tangent at curve first and second are at 90 degree. At first I will find out the slope of the tangent corresponding to the first curve, which is m1 equal to 1 upon 2y. Similarly, I will find out slope of the tangent of the second curve, which is m2 equal to minus y upon x. Since both are perpendicular, that is the tangent of the both curve are perpendicular, means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, and after simplifying you are getting x equal to 1 upon 2, and since y square equal to x, therefore y square equal to 1 upon 2 and y equal to square root of 1 upon root 2. Okay, since xy equal to k, you will put here the value of x and y. X equal to 1 upon 2, y equal to 1 upon root 2 equal to k, and 1 upon 2 root 2 equal to k, and 2 root 2k equal to 1. Squaring both the side, you will get 8k square equal to 1, which is required answer. Okay, now come to the question number 27. Okay, question number 24. This is question number 24. Okay, x square, you have to find out the equation of tangent and normal at point x naught and y naught. At first you will differentiate this, 2x upon a square minus 2y upon b square dy by dx equal to 0, 2y upon b square dy by dx equal to minus 2x equal to 2x upon a square, and dy by dx equal to b square upon a square y, and m1 equal to dy by dx at x equal to x naught, y equal to y naught equal to b square upon a square y naught. Therefore equation of tangent y minus y naught equal to mx minus x naught. After solving this one, you will find out the required equation. Similarly, you can find out equation of the normal. Since m2 equal to minus 1 upon m1, at first you will find out the slope m2 minus a square y naught upon b square. So equation of the normal, y minus y naught equal to minus a square y naught upon b square x minus x naught. Okay, right. Now, before solving the exercise 6.4, I will tell you the formula of right hand differentiability. Limit h tend to 0, fx plus h minus fx upon h equal to f dash x. Without limit, I can write fx plus h minus fx upon h equal to f dash x, or we can modify this like as fx plus h equal to fx plus h f dash x. Now we can solve exercise 6.4. Let us suppose we are solving this question, square root of 25.3 using the differentiation. After observing the form of this question, because its form is a square root, so you can assume let fx equal to square root of x equal to x to the power 1 by 2, f dash x equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Let x equal to 25 because you can find out the square root of 25. So you can assume x equal to 25. H equal to 0.3, smallest value 0.3. Okay, since fx plus h equal to fx plus h f dash x, so f 25 plus 0.3 equal to root square root of 25.3 equal to f25 plus 0.3 f dash 25. Okay, f25 you will put here in the function, f dash 25 you will put here, and after simplifying you will get 5.03. Okay, like as you can solve this problem, we have to find out f 5.001 at x equal to 5, h equal to 0.001. fx we have given this, I will find out f dash x, then you will apply the formula fx plus h equal to fx plus h f dash x, fx plus h equal to fx plus h f dash x. After putting in the corresponding function, you will find out the result minus 24.995. Okay, now the new topic which is based on exercise 6.5, maxima and minima. Means we have to find out the maximum value and minimum value of function. I am giving you the example of the COVID-19. To find the maximum minima, it is compulsory to find out the peak of the function. Means as the COVID-19, we are not getting till now any peak value. So its maximum and minimum is not possible. Right? Okay. We can, but in the future we will find out the maximum value and minimum value of COVID-19. By the reference of this example, we can check the maxima and minima of a function by the first derivative test and second derivative test. Okay, I'm telling you one of the derivative tests, which is second derivative test. At first, we'll write a given function, then we'll differentiate the given function, let f dash x to 0 to find the critical point, and find f double dash x. If f double dash x is positive at x equal to critical point, so given function having minimum. If f double dash x is less than 0, so given function having minimum. Let us see this question to understand the concept of maximum minimum. At first, I will differentiate this one, f dash x equal to this, and let f dash x equal to 0, you will get the critical point x equal to 1 by 2, and now find out f double dash x, means again differentiate fx, you will get 8, which is positive, so given function having minimum. So its minimum value you will find out after putting the value of x in a given function. After putting in a given function, you will get x equal to 3, so minimum value is 3. Like as we can solve its fourth part. We have given a function gx equal to x cube plus 1, g dash x equal to 3x square, g double dash x equal to 6x, let g dash x equal to 0 and 3x square equal to 0, x equal to 0, and since g double dash x at x equal to critical point 0, you are getting 0, which is neither positive nor negative, so it has neither maxima or not minima. So maxima and minima of this function does not exist like as critical, like as COVID-19. Right? Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.